Want to create ultra-realistic images for free? You're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to use Flux AI to generate stunning, professional-quality images, completely free. Flux AI is one of the best tools out there for image generation. While most platforms limit free usage, I've researched for countless hours and discovered a simple method to unlock unlimited access. Follow these steps, and you'll be creating incredible images in no time. Firstly, click the link in the description or search glyph.app on Google. Sign up using any email or your Google account. Once logged in, you'll see this interface. Now, simply click Build and click on this icon. Now, select Image Generator. The main reason for choosing this site was because it offers their latest model, Flux Pro, for free and without any limits. Isn't it great? Make sure to like and subscribe. Now, just enter your prompt. You can adjust advanced settings if needed, but I suggest sticking to defaults unless you're experienced. Hit Run and wait a few moments. And here you go. Your image is ready. If the result isn't perfect, don't worry. Regenerate until it meets your vision. Experiment with prompts to achieve unique results. And don't forget to like and subscribe if this helped.